Welcome once again, and let's talk about Terra Classic token now. With a 1.2% tax bond, Terra Classic is not really burning much, but we believe that before the end of next year, 2023, with the project they have with the roadmap, Terra Classic might be burning about 10 billion coins in a single day. I know it's not going to be easy. Actually, this prediction was actually predicted this year, where before the launch of the 1.2% tax bond, then many people believe that Binance can be burning billions of Terra Classic in a single day. Remember Kucoin, Crypto.com, so many crypto exchanges are also supporting Terra Classic token. But according to statistics, they say Terra Classic might be hitting 10 billion bond. That is to say, if the buying and selling increases next year, 2023. But for me, I think before the end of next year, Terra Classic definitely will be burning about billion coins in a day. But I don't think hitting 10 billion coins in a single day is not going to be easy. But I believe Terra Classic can burn between 1 to 3 billion coins in a single day. And if definitely Terra Classic start hitting about 10 billion coins in a single day, wow, that is going to be amazing, because Terra Classic will be burning about 300 billion coins in a single month. Or the truth is, within 3 months, Terra Classic will be burning about almost 1 trillion coins. That is to say, we believe in the next 15 months, Terra Classic might be burning out the 5.9 trillion coins. Definitely in 2024, early 2024, before April 2024, the supply of Terra Classic token must have dropped. By then, I believe this coin will have just fewer billions of coins in circulation, which definitely is going to help the price of Terra Classic token to really increase in price. Now, 5.9 trillion coins in circulation is much. I believe the 1.2% tax bond can also help a lot. But the truth is, with the support of the top crypto exchanges, with the support of big actors in the crypto industry, just like Binance founder CZ, and I believe if Robinhood, if Ethereum Wells will be coming in to show more support for Terra Classic, definitely Terra Classic is going to start massively increasing in price before the end of 2023. And I believe, of course, Terra Classic is going to hit high level. And if Coinbase can also come back to say, look, it's time for us to show support for Terra Classic, and I believe very soon they will be bowing down to Terra Classic community who have been asking Coinbase to actually list Terra Classic and also accept the 1.2% tax one. Definitely, let's watch what will happen next year. Terra Classic is definitely going to hit a massive increase in price. But remember, this is not a financial advice, so please kindly do your own research before taking any decision.